When it comes to intimacy, knowing if your partner is truly satisfied can sometimes feel elusive. Women often communicate satisfaction in subtle ways that are easy to miss if you're not paying attention. In this video, we'll explore 5 hidden signs that she's genuinely satisfied after intimacy, and we'll approach these insights from a Stoic perspective, focusing on understanding her emotional state while maintaining your own composure and presence. Let's dive into the psychological and Stoic insights that will help you better connect with your partner. 1. She stays close after intimacy. One of the most telling signs that a woman is truly satisfied is her desire to stay physically close after intimacy. Whether it's cuddling, holding hands, or simply resting her head on your shoulder, this closeness is a sign of comfort, connection, and emotional satisfaction. When she feels deeply satisfied, she will naturally seek to maintain that physical and emotional bond. Stoic perspective. As a Stoic, approach this moment with calm appreciation. Don't feel the need to analyze or overreact. Simply be present and reciprocate her need for closeness. Emotional intimacy is as important as physical intimacy, and a Stoic man values both equally. Stay grounded in the moment, allowing her to feel safe and secure in your presence without needing verbal validation. 2. She's calm and relaxed. After a satisfying, intimate experience, a woman will often display a sense of calm and relaxation. This can show through her body language. Her shoulders will drop, her breathing will slow, and she may even close her eyes as she enjoys the afterglow. This state of relaxation is a powerful indicator that she feels emotionally fulfilled. Stoic perspective. A Stoic man remains calm and composed in these moments. Resist the urge to seek external validation by asking her directly how she feels. Instead, trust in the signs she's giving you. Let her enjoy the peaceful atmosphere you've both created, and understand that true satisfaction often manifests in these moments of quiet serenity. 3. She opens up emotionally. Another hidden sign of satisfaction is when a woman becomes more emotionally open and vulnerable after intimacy. She may start sharing deeper thoughts or feelings, or reflect on the connection you've built together. This emotional openness is a sign that she feels secure, satisfied, and comfortable enough to share a more intimate part of herself. Stoic perspective. As a Stoic, focus on being a good listener during these moments. Emotional connection is just as important as physical closeness, and her willingness to open up shows she feels truly satisfied. Resist the urge to jump in or shift the conversation to yourself. Instead, practice the Stoic value of active listening, allowing her the space to express herself freely. 4. She compliments you genuinely. When a woman is truly satisfied after intimacy, she may offer genuine compliments. These compliments often go beyond the physical. She might comment on how connected she felt, how much she appreciated the moment, or how comfortable you made her feel. These words are not just flattery. They are a reflection of her emotional and physical fulfillment. Stoic perspective. A Stoic man receives compliments with humility and gratitude, without letting them inflate his ego. Appreciate her words, but don't seek to dwell on them or fish for more validation. Stoicism teaches us to value the connection itself over external praise. Acknowledge her feelings, and let her know that you appreciate the shared experience too. 5. She smiles or laughs easily. One of the simplest yet most overlooked signs of satisfaction is when she smiles or laughs easily after intimacy. This lightheartedness often comes from a place of contentment and emotional fulfillment. If she's smiling, teasing, or simply enjoying the moment with you afterward, it's a clear sign that she feels truly satisfied. Stoic perspective. Enjoy the moment without overthinking it. Stoicism teaches us to find joy in the simple things, and her happiness is something to appreciate without attachment. Don't feel the need to create more moments of satisfaction immediately. Just be present and enjoy the warmth of her laughter and smile. By staying grounded and relaxed, you allow the connection to deepen naturally. Conclusion. So there you have it. 5 hidden signs that a woman is truly satisfied after intimacy, viewed through the lens of Stoicism. By paying attention to these subtle cues, whether it's her desire to stay close, her relaxed demeanor, or her emotional openness, you can better understand her needs and the depth of your connection. As a Stoic, remember that intimacy is not just physical, it's emotional and mental too. Approach these moments with calm, presence, and respect for the experience you've shared together. True satisfaction comes from understanding and connection, not from seeking constant validation. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Stoic tips on relationships, dating, and emotional intelligence. Thanks for watching.